My name is Steven, and I'm an engineer here at 3Datix. Here at 3Datix, we have two Ultimaker S5 3D printers, Jarvis and Alfred. Say hi, guys. Sorry, they're a little shy. Historically, 3D printing has been used for rapid prototyping. As technology increases, however, more and more companies are using this technology for manufacturing processes. Here at 3Datix, we use it for both. Let's take a look at some parts that we've printed here on our printers. Here in the front, we have a sensor housing, which was a prototype that was iterated over multiple times before coming to this final design. Next to it here, we have printed an ABS, a sensor cap that is currently in our systems. Here is a router template that was printed in PLA on our printers. And here is the 3Datix E-Cube logo. Let's take a look at a time-lapse shot of this print. In real time, this print took 36 hours due to the high resolution we printed it at. Here at 3Datix, the implementation of 3D printing technology has greatly assisted us in our rapid prototyping and manufacturing processes. Thank you for joining me today. And if you'd like more information about what we're doing here at 3Datix, please visit us at 3datix.com.